So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to turn your PowerPoint presentation into a PDF, here's the easiest way to do it. So firstly, open your PowerPoint presentation and click File. Click Save As and choose where you want to save the file. In the Save As type drop-down, select PDF. Now choose your preferred location and click Save. PowerPoint will create a PDF version of your presentation. Also, you can go to File, then Print. Select Microsoft Print to PDF as the printer, then click Print, then choose where to save the PDF file. Your PowerPoint presentation is now converted into a PDF that you can easily share or send. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if it helped you out, and I will see you on the next video.